So my experience at Chiva-Som has been nothing short of absolutely magical. I think the energy in this place it almost makes you feel like you're in this wonderful, beautiful cocoon that's just so healing just by physically being present here. And everyone has been so wonderful. And the food has been absolutely incredible. I'm a big advocate for mind, body, soul connection, and I think that Chiva-Som gets that so right in so many different ways. And even if you were to do none of the treatments and just be present in the beautiful surroundings, that in itself is just so healing. So it really is such a blessing to be here. And so I want to wish Chiva-Som a very, very happy birthday. It's 30 years, and I can see why this place is 30 years old. It's 30 years of really creating magic in people's lives, and I think there's nothing more beautiful than when each one of us go on our healing journey, and to have incredible supporters to help us on that journey, and Chiva-Som being one of them, I think is something that's just so beautiful and so blessed. So I look forward to another 30 beautiful years of Chiva-Som.